Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Body Talk Chronicles, where we dive into the art of communication and mastering body language. In today's video, we're focusing on a crucial skill that can take your public speaking to the next level: mastering body language for confident presentations. Whether you're speaking to a small group or addressing a large audience, the way you carry yourself can make all the difference. So let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about posture. Posture is the foundation of confident body language. When you stand tall, with your shoulders back and your chest open, you not only look more confident, but you also feel more confident. This is because your posture affects your mental state. A strong, upright posture sends signals to your brain that you're in control and ready to take on any challenge. Imagine yourself standing on stage. Your feet should be about shoulder width apart, and your weight should be evenly distributed. Avoid slouching or leaning to one side, as this can make you appear uncertain or unprepared. Instead, keep your spine straight and your head held high. This simple adjustment can have a huge impact on how you're perceived by your audience. Now, let's move on to hand gestures. Your hands are powerful tools for emphasizing your points and keeping your audience engaged. But here's the key: your gestures should be deliberate and purposeful. When you make a statement, use your hands to reinforce what you're saying. For example, if you're talking about growth, use an upward motion with your hands. If you're comparing two ideas, hold your hands apart to illustrate the difference. These gestures not only add emphasis, but also help your audience to better visualize and understand your message. But be careful not to overdo it. Excessive or random hand movements can be distracting and take away from your message. A good rule of thumb is to keep your hands around chest level and use them to punctuate your words. Eye contact is another crucial element of confident public speaking. When you make eye contact with your audience, it creates a connection and shows that you're engaged and sincere. It's also a powerful way to hold their attention. If you're speaking to a large group, try to make eye contact with different sections of the audience. This makes everyone feel included and keeps them focused on you. But remember, eye contact should feel natural, not forced. You don't want to stare at someone for too long. Instead, aim for a few seconds of eye contact before moving on to another person or area of the room. Now, let's talk about something that's often overlooked but incredibly important: breathing. When we're nervous, our breathing tends to become shallow and quick. This not only affects our voice, but also our overall presence on stage. Practice deep diaphragmatic breathing to keep yourself calm and grounded. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, hold it for a moment, and then exhale through your mouth. This type of breathing helps to relax your body, steady your voice, and project confidence. Movement on stage is another powerful aspect of body language. But here's the catch: it needs to be purposeful. Wandering aimlessly or pacing back and forth can be distracting and make you appear nervous. Instead, move intentionally. If you're transitioning to a new point, take a step to one side. If you want to engage with a different part of the audience, walk towards them while making eye contact. Each movement should have a reason behind it, and it should flow naturally with your speech. Don't forget about your face. Facial expressions are a key part of conveying your message. Your expressions should match the tone and content of what you're saying. If you're discussing something serious, your face should reflect that. If you're telling a story that's lighthearted or funny, let your face show that emotion. Smiling is particularly powerful. A genuine smile can put your audience at ease and make you appear more approachable and confident. But remember, it needs to be authentic. Forced or fake smiles can be easily spotted and can detract from your credibility. Finally, practice makes perfect. The more you rehearse your speech and body language, the more natural and confident you'll feel on stage. Practice in front of a mirror, record yourself, or present to a friend and ask for feedback. In conclusion, mastering body language is essential for confident public speaking. By standing tall, using purposeful gestures, maintaining eye contact, controlling your breathing, moving with intention, and using your facial expressions effectively, you can captivate your audience and deliver your message with confidence. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Body Talk Chronicles for more public speaking and communication tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.